Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tuner report for Craig in Florida on the Ranger RCI-2995DXHP. Craig got it ready to go for you, bud. All the mods, alignment, voltage regulator upgrade, cap upgrades, wideband transmit receive, clarifier, power supply beefed up, you name it, it's got it. So let's start with our power all the way down, 250 watt slug. Got set at 5 watts all the way down, Craig, in case you ever decide to run a big amp. 60 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello, audio. Hello. About 145 bird. 500 watt slug and peak. Hello, 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 300 watts. Craig, you'll get you a 4 to 6 pin adapter. You also purchase a Delta Electronics M2 mic. Great mic for this radio, and we'll get that out there to you as well. Hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. You got wise and got Truckerized. Bum, bum.
Get your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized. Get wise and get Truckerized today.